My name is Balaji. I work as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence provides many solutions for the different sector. Artificial intelligence infiltrates into many fields. We have many artificial intelligence tools on the internet, though we have many, those are not hassle free. Only few of them are hassle free. One of it is Fliki. I'm going to tell you something about Fliki. Now open your web browser, type Fliki on the Google Chrome. This is the front page of your Fliki. It looks like something plain text. It offers many features. These are the strengths of Fliki. It will convert text to video. It can generate your idea into video. It can provide speech from your text. You can also create your own blog using this Fliki. These are the stunning features of your Fliki. But there is a limitation in Fliki. If you want to use it for free, it provides only access for 5 minutes. But if you pay for it, you can access it n number of times. First, log in using your mail ID. I'm going to log in with my mail ID. There is no mobile app for this website. It's a web-based application. Now I have logged in with my mail ID. After logged in, you can see the front page of Fliki. There are some sample videos over here. Those are for reference. Now we want to generate new video. Click this new file. It will ask for some details. It will ask for file name. You can change the language as your wish. You can change the aspect ratio. If you want to generate video, you choose this chest section. If you want to have an audio file, you choose this section. If you want to edit any file, you choose this section. Now I type my file name, systems. After giving file name, you just submit, but give the submit button. It will ask for some details of your own idea. Here, this is my idea of video embedded systems. You just submit. It will start to generate your own video. It will take some amount of time because this is AI generate video. First, it will convert text. After taking some amount of time for text generation, it will start to generate video according to the text. So the processing time would be more for this Fliki. Here, our video has been generated. The text is generated over here for each frame. For first frame, the text is what if I told you your life is full of hidden computers. For the second frame, the artificial intelligence text is embedded systems are everywhere. So for each frame, there is a sentence, there is a artificially generated text over here. So if you are satisfied with your video, you start to download over here.
Ever wondered how your smart devices actually work? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about the magic behind everyday gadgets. Embedded systems. Embedded systems are specialized computers within larger systems. They're in your smartphones, cars, and even kitchen appliances. Imagine the tiny brains making everything smarter and more efficient. These systems are programmed to do specific tasks reliably and quickly. For instance, your washing machine, a marvel of embedded technology. Without them, your TV remote would be just a piece of plastic. They make things work seamlessly, enhancing our daily lives. In medicine, they're crucial for life-saving devices like pacemakers. Simple yet sophisticated, embedded systems are the unsung heroes. Next time you use a smart device, remember the complexity inside. Hit the like.
Thank you all.